Manufacturers face a wide range of production challenges, including gaining control of process efficiencies. Our family of thermoscientific Versa checkweighers is designed to minimize product giveaway, which can erode your profitability, and it ensures your customers' products meet labeled weight. Let's take a look at our newest addition, the thermoscientific VersaFlex Checkweigher, and how it can help save time and money.
Our VersaFlex Checkweigher platform offers high package rates and can handle a large range of weights and sizes. The thermoscientific VersaFlex Checkweigher is designed especially for dry package applications like pasta, cereal, and grains, or other dry packaged products. It's available in either a fixed frame or cantilever style. The VersaFlex includes improvements, such as powered weigh table components mounted on a new dry application frame. The VersaFlex also uses a new controller based on the Linux operating system. You'll find it easy to learn and use. And of course, the VersaFlex meets the exacting standards of the Global VersaWeigh and Global Versa GP. While the quality is the same as our global models, we simplified the VersaFlex design so that it's right for the job. Accurate weighing for dry applications. This simplification means the VersaFlex is truly cost-effective, with robust, accurate, and easy operation for many years of reliable service. As the name implies, the Flex is configurable in nearly any 3-belt checkweigher form and can be combined with thermoscientific metal detectors to save line space. You'll get standard on-screen statistics and production results to monitor performance, and you have your choice of all the popular global Versa belt widths and lengths. Because we've used common conveyor parts for the VersaFlex, service and maintenance are greatly simplified for customers already using our VersaWeigh and thermoscientific Versa GP Checkweigher series. We've also made sure that it's easy to clean. All of our Versa solutions are designed to save you time and money, and the VersaFlex Checkweigher underscores our commitment to give our customers the best solution for their requirements.
With 55 years of checkweigher experience and hundreds of units shipped each year around the globe, we're committed to providing you the answers you need, simply packaged every day.